Okay, folks, here we go. We got Frank Terronez from Vacaville hitting the brand new rocket launcher senior bat. That's hit pretty good. We got a wind blowing in, 7 to 10 miles an hour. Pastor Larry doing the pitching, and Frank doing the hitting. Just missed it. Nice line drive. Just cut it in half. Out of here. 10, 12 feet high. This is the fully loaded version with the 1.5 ounce end load. He went and got a short pitch there. Wow, that's crazy. Hit the fence on a line drive. Another line drive, just mashed. The batted ball speed is way up there on those folks. That's crushed. 335, 340 against the wind. And that's hit well. Dead pull, fair ball. Out of here. Or wraps around a pole, fair ball. Exciting bat, folks. We hit it when it was brand new out of the wrapper and it was hot. It was the hottest senior bat we've hit out of the wrapper in a long time. We hit it side by side against the Dudley and it out hit it by 20 feet. That's crushed. That's just a straight line drive, 340, 350. Just missed it. Beautiful day here in California, 60, 65 degrees, crushed. You could hear that sound, folks. Play that back and listen to that. And tell me that didn't sound like a rocket launcher to you. A lot of end load. Let the end load do the work. Most of the old time, big time hitters understand end loads. Crushed. Just a beautiful swing. Top of the hill, 350. He missed that. Got it a little thin. And it comes right down at the fence. Hits that pretty good. Out of here. Hits the wall of the outhouse. Just missed that. What a line drive. Oh, smoked. Just missed that. Hit that well. That really was hit well. The wind got it, and it comes down short. I think he caught it up the barrel a little bit. Missed that. Oh, just smashed it. Hits the top of the outhouse on a line drive. That's crushed. That's in those trees. Yep, hits the trees on the way through, about 360, 370. Folks, the wind's blowing in. These are massive shots. But the batted ball speed is there. That giddy up, that initial giddy up's what's going to get it out of there for you if you miss hit them. And when you really hit them, there's no park big enough to hold them. Nice line drive. That was a beautiful swing. That's a just crushed line drive. Hits the fence. Wow. Big bomb. 350. Crushed. This bat's got no give to it. It just keeps blowing them out of here. Good swing, good swing, good swing. Yeah, if the wind wasn't blowing in, we'd have had some 400 footers. But But it's the consistency, folks. You get that, that's out of here. You get that solid end load on there and put a good swing on it. Let that end load do the work. You're going to be happy. How many you got left in there? A lot. Okay. We're not going to start a count yet. Having too much fun. Good take. Deep pitch. Just missed it. Oh, he went and stepped on that one. Come up short. Ha! Hit that wall. Hit the fence on another straight line drive. Just a missile. Crushed. Just pulled an inside pitch, got his body out of the way and crushed it. Crushed. Making it look easy, Frank. How's it feel?
Feeling real good, even the ones up in the handle.
Yeah, same thing Pastor said. We're
no
talking.
No vibration.
We're talking no stinging. The entire barrel.
That's a good spot.
And up the barrel by the end load, he's saying, is the honey hole, but even down the barrel gets it done. Look at that line drive. Wow. Out of here. 10 feet high. Another one, just crushed. Good line drive, short hops the fence. Let's do a count, Frank. Let's go for the next 5, okay, guys? He's working real hard here for you, folks. Bat's got a little over 100 swings on it, but it was hot out of the wrapper as well. Just missed. Mike's going to restart. We're going to take 5 from here. And he golfs it, uses the end load inside out. Out of here. 1 for 1. Wow, that is just crushed. Yeah. 2 for 2. 3 for 3. That hit the pole. Yes, sir. Halfway up the pole. 3 for 3 and a pole shot. That's worth 2, Pastor. Okay, so he hit this on the handle, folks. It short hops the fence. Warning track, 290 on a handle shot. 3 for 4. He's 3 for 4 with 3 out.
There it is.
And he'll end up 4 for 5. Hits the top of the fence. 3 for 5 with 3 out. What do you think, Frank? Tell me.
Very nice. It's a lot of swings for an end load bat. This is a 28, what'd you say, ounce and a half?
Ounce and a half end load.
That's a pretty heavy end load, especially for me. I'm more of a balance guy. Those of you that like the end load, it's real nice. Make sure you get those hands through. This head's gonna whip right around your good money spots down here where it says launcher. Even the ones I hit up here by the handle still were decent. No vibration, no sting, very comfortable bat.
Yeah, absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much, sir.